Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dragon Tool channel. Today I'm going to introduce you a software that can help you to book download video from many social media platforms. So this is my software. First we have account management. Account management will help you to add and manage multiple accounts. You can see here you can add many accounts from many platforms like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Well, to download video, you will go to scan and download video section. Okay, you can download video from TikTok or from Douyin, which is TikTok from China, or Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Okay, we will try TikTok and Instagram today. With TikTok, you won't need a TikTok account to download. You can download by region trending, by hashtag, by keyword, or by channel. Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to do by region trending. Okay, I'm gonna try some region. You see here, there's many country here. I will try United States. Okay, set up the number and then press start. You will have all the information like create date or like the view, the duration. Okay, and then you can copy the link first, link and title, go to download, you will paste the link here, there, and then you choose the folder to save the video. Option name will be in by video title. Okay, and then you press start. It will auto download the video. There. You can download hundreds and hundreds of video with this. I will show you. Go to download video. There you see. You can download it and use it. Video you download will not having a watermark. Okay. And you can just download it. Besides downloading, you can also edit the video using this. There, they have many effects here. And you will also upload video on Facebook Reel, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, and and this will help you to have a short video like video reels, so you can do outreach with that. This is a seeding video. Seeding videos mean you like, you share, you comment to the video you upload. And this is schedule manager. How do you do scheduling? Okay, I will scan some and download some video from Instagram. Well, to download video from Instagram, you will need some Instagram account. I will download from this channel. Then press start. Okay, choose the account. Okay, and then press start. There you see it will open the Chrome, and then it will go to the channel link that you want, and it will scan the video. There. There, see, it's very fast. I'll copy all this right click, choose copy link video, and then you paste the link here. I will have 100 video. Start to download. With this, you will easily have a file of hundreds and hundreds of video that you want, and you can use that for marketing purpose, like you re-upload it to do affiliate, or like you get the free traffic for your fan page or for your Instagram. You see it's downloading. Here you see there. Here you see, very high quality. All video will be very high quality. Okay, here you see. So basically, that is how you use this software to book download video from many social media. You will easily have thousands of video, and you will able to edit video, like adding effect, or like edit the format, change the sound. There, see, so many effect here you can try. And then you will upload the video on the social media that you want. Okay, there, very fast. Is almost done downloading. See. Okay, so basically that is software. If you need any more information, you can text me on my Telegram or WhatsApp. The detail I pinned down below the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and subscribe to the Dragon Tool channel. Thank you very much.